welcome to my channel. Smile There's Mine. Emily here. Hope you guys are doing fabulous out there. Yes, today, you guys, FabFitFun Summer Edition. Being poolside brings me joy. But it's not just a FabFitFun, it is also a chat. We're going to chat it out. It has been a while since I've just chatted with you guys. You may not want to hear what I have to say. I totally get it. I feel like when I do my Stitch Fix videos, I get a lot of people interested in, what did I get in my Stitch Fix? Obviously, right? So a lot of times I feel like guilty when I bore them with all my life stuff. But I put it in the thumbnail. We're going to chat today, and we're going to open this up. So hopefully you'd like to hear a little bit about what's going on with me. And I actually need your guys' help. Maybe some of you guys can help me out. Okay, so here's the chat. I'm going to New York. I may have mentioned this in a past video. I live in Northern California. We are getting on an airplane and flying all the way to New York City. I am so excited. I'm also very nervous, a little scared. Because it's just me and my daughter, my tween daughter. We are going to New York City to watch Broadway musicals because I love theater. Can you tell? And she's starting to love theater, and I just thought she's at that perfect age where she will remember these events, and it will just be such a cool mother-daughter moment to have together. Do I kind of wish someone was going with me? Like another adult? Yeah, a little bit, but I can do this, and I'm going to do this, and it's already paid for, so it's definitely happening. But I would just love any advice if anyone's gone to New York City lately. What's the deal? What should I watch out for? What should I be careful for? What should I do? Where should I go? I mean, it's a huge city, so I'm only there like 4 days. So we will see how much I get done. But let me tell you the Broadway musicals we're going to see. We are going to see Funny Girl. I'm a huge Lea Michele fan. So excited to check that out. So that one's kind of like for me. Both my daughter and I are a huge Britney Spears fan. You know, Britney from the past. Not sure what's happening with Britney these days, but love her music, and we listen to her music all the time. So right now on Broadway, there is a show called Once Upon a One More Time, and they took all of Britney Spears' music, and they have a play all around it. I guess it might be about like 6 princesses or queens, or I'm not really sure, but we're super excited because we're going to know all the music. And then the third one we're going to see is just good old Aladdin, which will be great because for my daughter, she can know the Disney, she knows the Disney movie, and then she can, you know, identify and see all the cool things that are happening. She'll really like that. Additionally, we want to, you know, see the Statue of Liberty, do all the tourist stuff. So if you have any advice for me on like places I should go or things I should see, that'd be really cool. I also might want to try to hit up some museums, and I definitely am so looking forward to the food. Oh my gosh. I just want to eat all the pizza, all the pasta, all the bagels, all the things. Just going to eat it all. It's going to be fabulous. I'll worry about when I come back if my clothes fit or not. I don't even care. It's going to be fabulous. So excited. Yeah, so that's just what I wanted to chat with you guys about. I went to New York. I've been to New York twice. I went in high school. I danced in the Macy's Thanksgiving Parade on Thanksgiving. It was so super cool. But that was all like a package deal kind of thing with chaperones and all the things. But that was a really cool introduction to New York. And then the second time I went to New York wasn't really at New York City, but I lived in the Catskill Mountains for like 3 months being a camp counselor, which was an experience. So I feel like I can do it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in my summer FabFitFun. Maybe something for NYC, baby. Yeah, I have my mace ready to go. And, oh, I do need to buy some new luggage, but got the mace. Got, like, all the stuff for the plane. And, of course, I'm buying clothes constantly, so there's that. Okay, what's in here? Woo, stretcher. What can I win? Possibly $10,000. I don't win anything, but it'd be cool if I did. I actually did win a $25 gift card the other day at our end of the year teacher celebration. I was pretty excited about that. First thing, Briogo. I don't know what this says. Briogeo? I think it's Briogeo. Boop. Superfoods. Banana, coconut. Soft wave texture spray, no harsh sulfates, No silicones, no parabens, salt-free, alcohol-free. Hey, that's good for your hair. Spray. I'm sure you spray it on your hair. How to use this? Usage. Spray thoroughly on damp or dry hair. Scrunch or twist the hair to enhance the formation and diffuse or air dry to finish. Let's just spray it. Oh, and I love anything that's like pineapple or what was the other thing they said? Banana, like any of that summer smell. Oh, it smells just so freaking good. Yes. You know, like sunscreen. I love the smell of sunscreen right now. And like tanning oil. Not that I should do that because that's not healthy. Just sunscreen. This stuff is good. I'm keeping this. Okay, a lot of things with FabFitFun I do regift. And that is okay. HelloFresh. Coupon. I don't think I'm going to do HelloFresh. I think I might want to try out, what is that one? It's not plated. What is this? This, oh, I did choose this. It's all coming back to me. This is like a little notebook. How freaking cute is this? Lines, colors, dots, kind of like square graphing. I like this because I do a lot of notes, a lot of to-do lists, super cute. And then I really like that it has a spiral bound, so you can just rip it out when you're done with all the things and all the kids' chores. And look how pretty this is. I like this. Keeping this too. What is this thing? Designed to feel good. Mobot. What is Mobot? The world's fastest travel foam roller water bottle. Oh, it's a water bottle? I just need to know if I need a water bottle. I have like 1,000 water bottles. And of course I have my Stanley. Oh, this is kind of cool though. What in the world is this? Foam bottle or water bottle, also a foam roller. Well, someone got creative with that. Let's take these two random things and put them together. All right, that might be a regifter. All right, here we go. What is this? De-stress and sleep well. Roll-on Duo by Sensuals. What do you do with this? Ooh, essential oil. De-stress. I do love me some good essential oils. I feel like FabFitFun sends a lot of essential oils really nice. Okay, this is Detox. Does that say relaxation? I thought it said melatonin for a second. I was like, oh. Oh, it kind of has a lemony smell to it. That's funny. Okay, just gonna put a little bit of that on. See if it works. Hopefully it doesn't stink with my banana hair. This one, sleep well. I don't want to put that one on, but I will smell it. I sleep pretty good. In my FabFitFun box a while back, they gave me that sleepy spray stuff that you put on your pillow. We call it sleepy spray. There's an actual name to it. Oh my gosh, I love it. My kids love it. Mommy, spray the sleepy spray on. It's basically like lavender. It's really good. Okay, this is cute. This might be a little fun regifter, or if I need it later, could be a possibility. Wine voucher. Hello. That's fun. Naked Wines. $100 wine voucher. What is that? One bottle? Oh, Rise Mascara Milk Makeup. Okay, I have been trying out lots of different mascaras. And what can I tell you about that? I can just tell you that the stuff I get at the drugstore seems to be just as good as the $30 stuff I've been trying out. But you never know. That's why I wanted to try this kind. Ooh, this is a funny little bottle. Check out this. It's like, what would you call this? It's like rubber. It's like rubber. Let's put some on and see how this goes. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. I better look in this mirror so I don't poke my eyeball out. I have a lot of mascara on right now, so we might not see a little bit of a difference, but it would have to be with new mascara to really check it out. But hey, I like it. It will go in the pile of mascara, and we'll go from there. Cool. I have heard this milk makeup is pretty darn good stuff. Fun. What else we have in here? I think there's one thing left. I do feel like the stuff is getting less and less. I just want more and more. Oh, this is cute. Free People. Hello. This is like a little pursey. Does it have a strap? Oh, it's more of like a wallet. It smells good. I do like Free People. That is a nice gift. Look at a little pocket here. Put your cards here. This is cute though because in the summer, you can just pull this out of your purse, you know, and then you don't have to take your big purse in. You could just do the little satchel. This would be great for concerts. Not that I'm going to any, but this would be great for just running into Target or anything else we have to do. I love this. Oh my gosh, all of these things are so freaking good. What a great box. And it smells good in here too. Yeah, so I was pretty happy with that one. I always love doing FabFitFun. I just feel like sometimes, let me just throw this over there in the pile of things I have. Yeah, sometimes you're kind of like, I don't know if any of that's really what I want, but it seems like it always works out really well. And if not, you can re-gift stuff too if you have duplicates or whatever. So anyways, that was my box. Thanks for hanging out with me, you guys, and hopefully we will chat soon. All right, I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, bye.